Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Asian food. To begin, let's gather our essential tools. A wok is absolutely crucial for achieving that perfect stir-fry, offering a wide, hot surface. You'll also need a very sharp chef's knife or cleaver for precise chopping, along with a sturdy cutting board. Don't forget your measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are key to authentic flavors, ensuring your dishes turn out just right every time. Next, let's explore the core ingredients that define Asian cuisine. Staples like soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil form the foundation of countless marinades and dressings. Fresh aromatics such as ginger, garlic, and chilies are indispensable for building complex, vibrant flavors. You'll also rely on various noodles and rice, like jasmine or basmati, as your primary carbohydrates. Finally, fresh vegetables such as bok choy and bell peppers add essential texture and nutrients to your delicious creations. Now, let's dive into the fundamental cooking techniques. Stir-frying is perhaps the most iconic, requiring high heat and constant movement to cook ingredients quickly and evenly in about 3 to 5 minutes. Steaming is a gentle method, perfect for preserving the delicate flavors of fish or dumplings. Braising involves slow cooking in liquid, ideal for tenderizing meats over several hours. While less common for daily meals, deep frying can create wonderfully crispy textures for dishes like spring rolls, usually taking only a few minutes. Finally, let's talk about crafting a complete and balanced Asian meal. Aim for a harmonious blend of protein, carbohydrates like rice or noodles, and plenty of fresh vegetables. Think about contrasting textures, perhaps a crispy element alongside something soft and tender. Incorporate a spectrum of flavors, sweet, sour, salty, umami, and spicy, to create a truly dynamic experience. A final garnish of fresh herbs, like cilantro or green onions, adds both aroma and visual appeal, elevating your dish to restaurant quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.